Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to give you the answer to the question, what is the official or primary official website for the Royal Bank of Canada? And the primary official website for Royal Bank of Canada is rbcroyalbank.com. This is where you find information regarding personal and business banking. Also, the parent site of all of the RBC websites is rbc.com. It's important to be aware that RBC also has websites for specific divisions such as RBC Capital Markets, which is rbccm.com, RBC Investor Services, which is rbcis.com, and RBC Bank, which is rbcbank.com. Therefore, depending on the specific information you're seeking, you might need to visit one of these specialized websites. However, rbcroyalbank.com is the best starting point or general RBC banking for general RBC banking information.